Yeah, and Spanish. So, so I cannot understand the real language Spanish, but intindi poco, me. Poco, intindi. But in Chabacano, I can talk fluently. Hindi niya alam. Hindi niya alam. I can talk fluently Chabacano. Like, fluently, like Bisaya. Sometimes I cannot talk. I like English. Tagalog. Sometimes Tagalog I cannot talk fluently Tagalog, but the Chabacano I can. Oh my goodness. Me, like at 100%. Okay. My brother is calling. What? Me, like all 100% Spanish because you're Spanish. So me, I can talk fluently Chabacano. Chabacano is the broken language, the broken Spanish language that use language in Zamboanga City, the Asia's Latin city. Amo la cultura de Filipinas siya because Espanyol sinasakop nilang Pilipinas dati like that. So, oo. I took to yung Tagalog because sometimes it's hard to English. It's very hard to English, guys. It's very hard. Yeah. You're smiling always. Chris Hernandez. Salamat naman ay nakakausap ako ngayon. Buong mag-umaga pagising ko hanggang ngayon wala akong kausap. Mag-isa lang ako. Kausap ko aso. Diyos ko Lord, mabubuang na ako dito. Hindi ko na alam ang gagawin ko. Mabubuang na ako. So hard. For viewers and to, hello guys, palike naman ang aking live, like lang. You are like tambay there. You no te entende, pero amo como hablas. Yeah, sí. Buenas noches. En Chabacano, ¿qué tal tú? Buenas noches. Like, hello Shabkat. Shabkat, please like. 7 p.m. Aki, it's 1 p.m. So, ah, kusa dia? Kusa dia? Ali. Aki, it's Friday or Biyernes, Friday, 1 p.m. Shabkat, please like.